Hello friends, this is Saturday session, class 4, EBS, chapter 18, water from different places. Regularly, we are getting water from our Nagarpalika is providing water to us in Mohua from Mahipariyej system, which we are getting as a household purposes. Here, one story is shared about Kripal. She was reading her book and heard someone at the door. She saw that there was a guest. Father welcomed the guest. He told Ruchan to bring the cold drinks for him. Then guest rejected and said that he want a glass of water. Then father said that nowadays they are not getting water that is fit for drinking purpose, because that drinking water is not fit for us to drink. It is not clean also. It would be better if you not to drink this water. So in slum areas there are no choice, so people are drinking it and getting sick afterwards. Now, in discussion point, there are many questions occurring in our mind. The first question, how does contaminated or dirty water harm our body? Dear students, you know that drinking contaminated and dirty water is harmful for our body because it is creating gastritic problems, gastro problems in our body such as indigestion, acidity. Sometimes we may fall sick also. We get fever, diarrhea, and other diseases. We cannot fit with this water and body does not react properly. So better to avoid this kind of drinking water. Instead of this, the remedies is that we have to clean the water and use it. Second thing, if we drink such type of water, we have to check it whether the water is fit for our body or not. If you have some example that we have drink this kind of water and fall sick, then talk about this, discuss this. In Kripal's house, there was not a good drinking water capacity was available. So they thought not to give such water to the guests and they have offered cold drinks to them. What do you think that family must be doing for their own drinking water? So, dear students, when you see a contaminated water, you can boil it first on a gas stove. When it is cooled down, you can filter it through a cloth and use it next. The guest said that he did not take cold drinks, then they have offered the water afterwards. These are the points to remember when anyone comes at our homes or we drink the water at anyone's house. We should see that what are the qualities of a water. There were big water parks in our Gujarat state, and Sachin and Neeru went to their water park, and there were many parents, many fountains, many students came with the parents, many fountains were there and water facility was available, and students are splashing everywhere along with the teachers, and they have enjoyed this. Water games are also very useful for us, and whenever we see that kind of water games, we feel very zoom, and we feel very enjoyment when we are taking part in it. In our next session, we will talk more about the water park games. Till then, I remain here. Thank you, students.